I forgot just how much stuff I ordered. Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Temu haul. I have this large bag and I have this bag, and I am super excited to go ahead and dive in here. I will leave a timestamp below if you just want to skip ahead to the haul of these products, but I wanted to kind of give you an update on my actual experience with the brand so far. So first, I decided to reach out to the more influencer portion, kind of see what that track looks like since I've seen so much content about Temu online. I did. They were kind enough to send me a $50 gift card, and I tried to order some products. Now, I only ended up getting one of the products that I ordered. Everything else ended up giving me an email saying that it was out of stock. So I only got one item, which was a 4-pack of these tank tops that I am wearing. I'm really happy with these, but I have to say that experience was not fantastic to get really excited, have things in my cart, go ahead and order them, and then have them not show up. So I was a little worried, but I wanted to see if I could be proven wrong. So I placed an order myself with different email address, different account, everything, to go ahead and see if I could get a better experience from a regular customer perspective. And I actually did receive everything that I ordered. Well, we're gonna find out when I open these, but I didn't get any emails that it was sold out. So at least that was a good start. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in here. I don't remember everything that I got, but I do know there are some clothes. Tried to get a good assortment of items. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first item that I want to share is the one that I actually got through the influencer portion, and it is the only thing that was sent to me for free. And it is this 4-pack of tank tops that I will put right above my cute little puppy monkey here. I think the quality of these is really fantastic. I am wearing the white one right now, and it's not see-through at all, which if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I have a huge issue with. So I'm very happy to see that it's not see-through, and I love how soft they are. I've worn them very frequently, and I've washed them, and they've washed and worn really well. Plus, they're really good for working out and lounging around the house. So definitely a big win for me. Now let's go ahead and go into the items that I actually purchased and paid for, and then I will put my code up on the screen. Don't remember what it is off the top of my head. Put that up on the screen and you can get 30% off of your first order as well. I do have to say the shipping was incredibly fast, so that is a big thumbs up for me. This is the first thing. I've been kind of eyeing these on Amazon, so I was really happy to see them on Temu. They are these little sponges. They have cute little bear faces, and you get 4 of these, and these go in your washing machine to collect hair and fuzz and dog hair as you're washing your clothes, so they don't end up on your clothes themselves. So I'm really interested to try these and see if they actually work. I'll keep you posted. Next, I got an AirPods case. I was so happy to see this, and I'll definitely have to put up a picture of what it actually looks like on my AirPods themselves, but it is this cute little gaming console. Ooh, I'm just trying to get it to set. They are separate pieces, but this is what it looks like. It does have a little carabiner keychain as well. Really excited for this. I do have the AirPods Pro, so hopefully these will fit. Then we have this, and I have no idea what this is. So it's a little orange box. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, well, I just got it all over my hands, so that's good, and it's ink. Fantastic. So this is a little label remover, so you can use it on any package label or envelope of any kind to kind of hide your information. Doesn't work as well on a bag, but you know, it definitely does the trick, so that's pretty cool. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. So this is what we have here, and it is a little dish brush for your kitchen, but it looks like a cactus. So this is what the actual brush itself looks like. It's a little cactus with some little scrubby on here. And then it has this super adorable little planter box that you can use to store your cactus in. So I thought this was so cute. And even if I don't end up using this for my dishes, I feel like this would just be really good for cleaning my sink or cleaning bathtub, shower, anything like that. This is so cute. Okay. Another homeware piece is this bad boy. So this is to clean your dryer vent in your washing machine, well, in your dryer. You do this somehow and attach these two pieces together. I'm not sure how because there were no instructions. And then you essentially put this inside of your dryer vent to clean out all the extra dust and lint that didn't get cleaned. So very random, very interesting. Right. Then we have the Lazy People Carry Folding Board. I really like the title of that because that suits me pretty well. I'm gonna need to figure out how to use this, but it basically helps you fold your clothes in a much faster way. Supposedly this is really great for kids to help teach them how to fold, or, you know, my boyfriend who has not figured it out yet. So I am excited for us to have this and hopefully make our laundry doing experience less miserable. All right, then we have these, which are two similar items. They're both kind of package openers. So this one is a ceramic blade, not incredibly sharp. Oh, just kidding. I just very quickly did that on here and it just slit right through it. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited to have this. All right, then I got this one, which is a little cloud. And this is more of a traditional kind of razor blade. So this one's definitely gonna be a lot sharper, but will be really good for cutting down boxes. So pretty excited for this one. Also could be a good self-defense thing to keep in your purse. Just saying, ladies, the world is dangerous. And men, actually. The world is just dangerous in general. All right, next I got a pair of earrings, and these are so cute. So they're little cacti, and I just think they're so pretty. I'm guessing they're acrylic, but they're really pretty. I really, really like these, so I'm excited for those. Also got these sombreros. These are so cute. Look at them. Okay, that's adorable. Like, just imagine. That's so fun. Okay, big fan of these. These turned out even prettier than I expected. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are little piñatas and they're beaded. Look how beautiful these are. I already love them. I already love them. Then I got another jewelry piece, and this is a ring. It is an evil eye ring, so it looks like this. I think this is really cute, and it is adjustable. That's cute. It's kind of like chunky. I'm into that. Okay, cool. I have no idea what I ordered. I do remember seeing this, but I do not remember adding this to my cart. So this is a towel. And it's a little chicken. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm hoping you can tell, but it's super, super soft. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this, but it's really funny, so I guess I'm happy to have that. Then I got these, which are a pair of herb-specific scissors. So they look like this. So there's, you know, different blades. So this will kind of help to trim your herbs and make them a little bit more ready for what you're eating. And they're really little. They look like kid scissors, but they're definitely not. Then we have some clothing items. This is the first one. I think this is kind of a midi length, and this is the print. I think this is a really pretty print. I can't say that the quality is the most incredible. I mean, stitching and everything is really well done, but it definitely feels kind of cheap and polyester-y. I'm pretty excited to try this on. Then we have this one, which definitely feels a little bit nicer. This is more of just a knee-length dress, and it's kind of like a brushed animal print. I do have to say this one is super thin though. Not sure if you're gonna be able to tell, but it is pretty thin. but I think with the print it might actually be okay. So I'm interested to see how that will look. I already don't like this one. Feels really, really, really cheap. It looked so pretty online though. Maybe it'll end up fitting better, but it definitely feels really cheap. It smells kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about that. Can't pinpoint the smell, but I definitely don't like it. All right, and then the last thing that I got, which is pretty random, but I wanted to give it a try, is some shapewear. So you won't see me trying just this on, but I will put it on under the dresses and we shall see how this goes. All right, so this is that first dress. Honestly, it looks a lot better on than I thought it would. I feel like the quality of this fabric actually feels pretty nice, and the neckline is relatively flattering. I definitely feel like could fit me a little bit better. But this is what it looks like. It's definitely a midi dress, and it has a nice little slit here, so that's kind of fun. I'm gonna see if they have it in another color just because my skin tone isn't meshing with this, but I definitely recommend this one. All right, then we have this one. I absolutely love this one. I am so incredibly impressed with this one. I love this print and I really like the shape of this dress. Mind you, I just took this out of the packaging, so it definitely has some wrinkles, but I honestly don't mind it because the print kind of hides it. So it has these kind of like balloon sleeves that you can pull up, and then it has kind of a tiered ruffle look. I love this. I really, really like this one. This is probably my favorite thing so far. So I'm excited. This one's so fun. Okay, I am pleasantly surprised by this. I don't know if I like the fit on my body right now because it's a little bit tighter than I anticipated, but it's so pretty. I would probably want to wear some different shapewear. The shapewear that I bought is not doing what I need it to, but that's okay. I'm really surprised. I was very, very hesitant when I took this one out of the bag, but I love how it looks and feels on. I'm impressed with this one too. I am very impressed. I think my favorite item is definitely gonna be this dress because this is so nice. I am so happy. I would love to know what your favorite item from this haul was. And if you've shopped Temu, I would love to hear your experience and how that has gone for you. I've heard some mixed things, but my experience so far has been very positive. So if there's something that you would like to see me haul from Temu, definitely let me know. I'm going to be doing more orders for sure because I'm having way too much fun shopping the website. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really, really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!